yesterday I gave a keynote at The Economist, and I was with an expert, American expert, and they were telling us that they have a constellation of 200 satellites with optical capability that they are able to map the Earth at 200 meters, 300 meters, so they are able now with AI to detect if one country, for instance, is organizing troops in the border in another country. So all that intelligence now is being collected from the space, analyzed with AI, and then used to create predictability analysis and what-if analysis scenarios. It's actually amazing how it's becoming the Google of indexing the material thing, the physical thing. Let's go a bit on the secure satellite communication aspect with Benjamin. How does quantum-safe satellite communication differ operational from traditional encrypted SATCOM?
Difficult to say. It's not really my topic on this, but it's more communication and secure communication will greatly help more space traffic in general, because we face a difficult situation today where we have no unique system for the global space traffic coordination, in particular no dialogue between operators based in the US and in China. So building a unique system implies secured satellites data, and quantum computing will greatly help this, in particular for space traffic on low Earth orbit, but also for the deep space exploration missions. When you send space objects to Jupiter, for instance, you need to use the force of the various planets on the road, and it's only by having a very strong calculation capacity through this quantum computing technologies that you will be able to improve and to improve the missions, and in particular also for the low Earth traffic assessment. So we all wait for this, but there is also a question of timing, because satellites do not all have the latest technology on board. For some space objects, satellites developed by Starlink, for instance, they build satellites in about a few months, 1 year, so they can really implement very latest technology. But for other space objects, you need sometimes 20 years to develop them, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, meaning that you don't really have the latest technology inside. So it means that when you're going to have quantum technology for space connections, you will not be able to connect all existing space objects, and you're going to have old car on the road still working while not being able to communicate with others. So there will be really maybe 20 or 30 years to have a full implementation of this kind of technology.